Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow only your contacts to see your profile photo on WhatsApp. If you're looking to keep your profile picture more private and prevent strangers from seeing it, this setting is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Step 5. Now tap on Profile Photo. Here, you'll be able to adjust who can see your profile picture. Step 6. Under the option, Who can see my profile photo, select My Contacts. This means only the people saved in your contacts will be able to view your profile photo. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp settings to limit who can see your profile photo. This is a great way to maintain your privacy while still using WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.